Electric tricycles are taking over in 2025, and they're not just for seniors anymore. From folding frames to all-terrain beasts, these e-trikes blend comfort, power, and smart features in ways that'll surprise you. In this video, we're diving into the best electric tricycles of 2025, whether you're looking for stability, long range, or just a smoother ride around town. Let's check out which models are really worth your money this year. MOONCOOL TK1, a compact folding electric trike that brings a great balance of power, practicality, and price. It's powered by a 500-watt motor that peaks at 1,000 watts and delivers around 65 newton-meters of torque, strong enough to tackle gentle hills and carry cargo without a fuss. The 48-volt battery gives you a solid range of 35 to 70 miles, depending on how you ride, and recharges in about 6 to 8 hours. You can hit speeds up to 16 miles per hour using pedal assist or throttle, and it's got a smooth, quiet controller system for a more refined ride feel. For safety, it's equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, full lighting including turn signals and horn, a parking brake, and a rear differential for better cornering. It folds down for easy storage, comes nearly fully assembled, and includes spacious front and rear baskets for hauling whatever you need. Priced at just $1,500, the TK1 is a solid choice for everyday riders who want utility and comfort without overspending. Addmotor CityTri E310, a premium folding electric trike priced at $1,799, built for comfort, range, and daily practicality. It features a powerful 750-watt rear motor with up to 1,400 watts peak power and 90 newton-meter torque, hitting speeds of 20 miles per hour or 28 miles per hour where allowed. The 48-volt, 20-hour UL-certified battery offers up to 90 miles of range, making it ideal for long rides or heavy use. Its aircraft-grade folding aluminum frame is tough yet portable, while front suspension and a speed differential ensure a smooth, stable ride. It supports up to 380 pounds and fits most adult riders, thanks to its low-step design and adjustable seat. Safety features include triple disc brakes with parking mode, LED lights, turn signals, and reflective strips. You also get a 5-inch LCD display, 7 pedal assist levels, half-twist throttle, mirrors, a cargo basket, and even built-in extras like a tire pump on many models. At around 86 pounds, it's both feature-packed and highly practical. Narrak S180 Folding Tricycle, the smart and compact electric ride built for adults who want portability without sacrificing performance. Priced at $1,800, it comes with a powerful 750-watt rear hub motor and a 48-volt, 13-hour removable battery, offering a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 40 miles. Its foldable aluminum frame makes storage and transport super easy. Whether you're in the city or heading out for a trip, the trike handles different terrains well, thanks to its fat tires and front suspension fork, giving you a smooth, stable ride on gravel, sand, or snow. It's equipped with mechanical disc brakes, a 7-speed Shimano gear system, and a padded saddle with a backrest for added comfort. You also get LED lights, a color LCD display for ride stats, and a large rear cargo basket for carrying your essentials. With a payload capacity of 300 pounds, the S180 is a reliable and practical choice for commuting, shopping, or just cruising around in East. EMOJO Bull, a user-friendly electric trike that combines comfort, utility, and solid performance. It's powered by a 500-watt Bafang motor and a 48-volt, 14-hour battery, giving you a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of around 45 miles on throttle, or up to 65 miles with pedal assist. There's even an option to extend that to 100 miles with a second battery. Built with a tough aluminum frame, it supports up to 330 pounds and weighs about 80 pounds with the battery. What really makes it accessible is the ultra-low 8.5-inch step-through height, making it super easy to hop on and off, especially for riders between 4'10" and 6'4". The Bull also features a 7-speed gear system, mechanical disc brakes, and a rear differential for stable turning. You'll find thoughtful touches like an LCD display, thumb throttle, front and rear baskets, integrated lights, and ergonomic grips. Starting at $1,999, it's a great pick for anyone needing reliable transport with room for cargo, all in a compact and approachable design. Puckipuppy Alaskan Trike, a bold and versatile electric tricycle designed for adults who want both comfort and power. Priced at $1,899. It's powered by a 750-watt high-speed rear hub motor paired with a 48-volt 20-amp-hour battery, reaching speeds up to 25 miles per hour and offering a solid range of 50 to 70 miles on a full charge. Built with a strong aluminum alloy frame and front suspension, it handles rough terrain like snow, sand, and gravel with ease. It features dual hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping, a Shimano 7-speed transmission for flexible riding, and a bright LCD display. Safety is covered with integrated LED lights and a brake light, while cargo needs are met with front and rear baskets. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. It includes an adjustable handlebar, a padded seat with backrest, and a low-step frame for easy access. With a 400-pound payload capacity, the Alaskan Trike is ideal for commuting, shopping, or relaxed weekend cruising. MeetOne Tour, a high-powered semi-recumbent electric trike built for long rides, comfort, and serious performance. It runs on dual 750-watt hub motors, delivering a combined 1,500 watts continuous and up to 2,400-watt peak power, with 180 Nm of torque and full all-wheel drive. You get a top speed of 25 miles per hour with pedal assist, or around 15 miles per hour on throttle alone. Its range is no joke either, between 55 to 130 miles, thanks to 2 Samsung lithium batteries, giving you a total of 1,440 Wh capacity. The ride feels smooth and stable with full suspension, a 7-speed Shimano system, and hydraulic disc brakes on all wheels. It also includes a differential for better cornering, a 5-inch torque sensor display, and even an electric reverse mode. With a max payload of 550 pounds, including a rear cargo basket that holds up to 150 pounds, this trike fits riders from 4'11" to 6'5". Starting at $3,500, the Tour is built for riders who want comfort, power, and distance all in one. Addmotor CityTAN M315 is a compact folding electric trike built for city life. Priced right at just $1,400. It runs on a 500-watt rear brushless motor that peaks at 1,100 watts with 60 Nm of torque, giving you a top speed of around 20 miles per hour with both pedal assist and throttle options. The 48-volt 13.5-hour lithium battery, about 720 watt-hours, offers an impressive range of up to 65 miles per charge. Built for comfort and control, it features 20 by 3.0-inch fat tires, front suspension, and a rear differential for stable turning and smooth rides. The low-step aluminum alloy frame is foldable and fits riders between 5'1" and 5'9", making it easy to transport and store. With a payload capacity of around 360 pounds, it's great for both personal use and light cargo. As Addmotor's most affordable e-trike, it's a smart pick for seniors, commuters, or anyone who wants reliable electric mobility without breaking the bank. Lectric XP Trike 2, a budget-friendly electric tricycle that delivers solid performance and practicality at just $1,499. Powered by a 500-watt Stealth M24 motor, peaking at 1,092 watts with 65 Nm torque, it's paired with a UL 2271 certified 48-volt 13-amp-hour battery, offering up to 50 miles of range. Built for ease and comfort, it features a low 13.8-inch standover height, a foldable 6000 series aluminum frame, and a Cloud 50 suspension fork with 50mm travel. The riding position is upright and relaxed thanks to a 9-degree stem, while safety is well covered with Star Union hydraulic brakes, 180mm rotors, turn signals, reflective tires, parking brakes, and a 90-lumen headlight with amber side lights. The colorful TFT display gives access to 5 riding modes, twist throttle control, and USB-C trip data. With a 415 pounds payload capacity and weighing around 79 pounds without the 7-pound battery, it's practical and tough. A 750-watt version with torque sensor and bigger battery drops later this year for $1,800. That's it for today's roundup of the best electric trikes of 2025. If one caught your eye, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.